Well, subscribe.
Cause we can see it. Here's to the ones that keep. Cause we can see it. Here's to the ones that keep. Cause we can see it. Here's to the ones that keep. Cause we can see it. Here's to the ones that keep. Cause we can see it. Here's to the ones that keep. Cause we can see it. Here's to the ones that keep. Cause we can see it. Here's to the ones that keep.
Oh, and if you fold it up, cause this.
Cause we can see it. Here's to the ones that keep.
Get on with it, get on with it, get on, we get on. Now come on.
Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. 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 Before Argentina. Before Brazil. Before Canada. Before Vietnam. Before Ecuador. And for France. Before Germany. H for Hungary. I for Iran. G for Japan. For Austria. For Luxembourg. And for Mexico. And for Netherlands. For Oman. For Portugal. For Qatar. And for Russia. And for Senegal. For India. For Uruguay. For Venezuela. W for Wales. Y for Yemen. And for Zimbabwe. FIFA Football World Cup 2026. We are hosting the FIFA World Cup 2026. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. 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 Please like.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for the master and one for the dame and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Chinese ABCs A to Z fruits names. A is for apple. B is for banana. C is for cherry. D is for dragon fruit. E is for elderberry. F is for fig. G is for grapes. H is for honeydew. I is for iceberg lettuce. J is for jackfruit. K is for kiwi. L is for lemon. M is for mango. N is for nectarine. O is for orange. P is for pineapple. Q is for wings. R is for raspberry. S is for strawberry. T is for tangerine. U is for ume. V is for vanilla. W is for watermelon. X is for chikwa. Y is for yuzu. Z is for zucchini. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Zenizu ABCs A to Z animals name. A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fox. G is for giraffe. H is for hippopotamus. I is for iguana. J is for jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for narwhal. O is for octopus. P is for penguin. Q is for koala. R is for rabbit. S is for sea. T is for turtle. U is for unicorn. V is for vulture. W is for whale. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for Yak. Z is for zebra. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Red carrot and the last mango. Where is my mango? Help me, please. I will help you. I will cross the river. I will swing and search for you. There. Okay. Yeah. Let's share. Sharing is caring. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.